What's up, everybody? This is Connor. Today I'm going to do a little update in the shop for you. I'm coming at you from up in our little makeshift office above the bathroom. But let's head down and check out the rest of the shop. If you work at OSHA, don't flame me. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. So I just want to make a quick video today without too much fancy editing so that I can turn it around real quick and give you a walk around of what our shop looks like. I hear noise outside, so I think someone's here. What's up, fellas?
I just figured I'd come in. Got the
Hey, bud.
How's it going?
Good.
Just filming a little.
Jeez, you look sexy.
I heard the squad roll up. It's like, let's go check her out. This totally isn't take 4. It's not take 4, right?
Is that you, Scuba Steve?
This is take 1.
Hi, Julian. How you doing? I'm Scuba Sam, Scuba Steve's father.
Holy shit, Scuba Steve.
All right, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of the shop. I've done it like 4 times. Tyler thinks I'm an idiot because I keep saying the same thing over and over. But the shop's pretty sick. It's like 25 feet by 50. It's like, how tall are these ceilings? Like 15 feet? Because the door is 14 feet, I think. Anyways, it's tall as we got a nice little office space up there with the ladder. Don't roast us, OSHA. Got a pretty nice bathroom with some sinks and some storage here. We didn't have much storage in here the first couple months we had the shop, but we've got some shelving going now, getting a little bit more organized. Over here we got all our motorcycle projects. Beau's rebuilding an R65 right here. That's a BMW. I got my 82 Nighthawk right there, doing a little bit of work on that. Ordered some parts yesterday, actually. Matt's got his Suzuki DRZ right here, tearing that apart. I think he was originally planning to put a big bore kit in it, but those plans might have changed because his G35 just blew up. Oh my gosh, cut. He was doing some rips in the snow and pulled up back to the shop and she was knocking away. So she's blown up. Put an RIP in the comments for Matt because he got wrecked. Got Beau over here grinding away on some tungsten.
You don't got a fucking big belt sander, you gotta make do, so.
This is what you don't want your tungsten to look like.
Oh god, don't show him that.
Alright, cut. And here's newly wrecked WRX. This is your yearly reminder not to drive with summer tires in the snow and crack boost, because then you end up going in the ditch and doing this. Roll the clip.
Roll it.
There you go.
Skins!
Got Beau's new TIG welder. He's working on setting that up. Maybe we'll make a video on that soon. And then over here I got this project going, making a custom horn for my Econoline van project. And that's pretty much it. We got some other small things going on, but yes sir. Tyler's gonna build us a sweet staircase. But that's gonna be the end of this one because Beau's about to start grinding. And I'm gonna go work on that. So just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of our shop because we haven't done that because we're scrubs.
Oh, that schnoz is in there.